Like, you would rather have healthy hair than to have length, because length can only do so much. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 simple and easy ways for you to fix your heat damaged hair, especially on natural hair, because I experienced this in 2016 into 2017, because I had a really, I don't want to say bad, but it was like a really bad phase of like wanting to be a Kardashian and wanting my hair slick, straight, and long, and that's not really realistic for me, especially if I want my hair to be popping like this now. And it became really heat damaged within 6 months, and I still can't believe I did that to my hair, and I knew better, but I was too busy, like, I don't even know. I probably wasn't even in my right mind or something. I don't even know. And now my hair is really healthy and strong, and I'm just so grateful to have my natural hair back to normal or even better. And even if your hair is not damaged, I feel like these tips will help you in general. I'm gonna insert a picture of my hair damaged before, and as you can see, it was a hot mess. I could have literally saved myself so much time and energy, but no. It took way more time for me to straighten my hair than to like actually take care of my hair, you know. So yeah, that was like a bad idea from the jump. And look at my hair now. She looks very healthy, very happy too, very luxurious and all that. First tip I want to tell you guys is to stop straining your hair. Like, completely stop. Don't even straighten certain parts. Like, no, don't even do none of that. Like, completely stop. Period. Because you can't completely repair the curls if you're still somewhat straining your hair. Don't use no heating tools. Like, if you want to use a diffuser, use it on cool. Don't use the hot temperature, because you're really trying to train your curls like on its own, like how to like be curly, you know. And I really emphasize that a lot, because heat damage is so annoying. It's like one of the longest things that takes time to like really repair. Using heat on your hair can really break your hair, because now it's not as strong as it used to be, and like it's easy to break off, and it's just, even when you do use heat protectant, it still takes out a lot of the moisture out of your hair, makes your hair super dry, especially in the summer or like the winter. Oh my gosh, the winter. And it can cause more split ends too. So yeah, don't do that. Oh my gosh, like the split ends that I had, it was so freaking bad. Like, I still can't believe I did that. Like, so the second tip that I have is cut off all the dead ends. Don't just trim out a little piece and be like, oh, it's fine, it's just gonna grow. Then no, that can cause more split ends. Like, you do not want to cut off little by little. Just might as well just cut off all the split ends, then boom, you don't even have to worry about split ends or having your hair dry at the bottom, because oh my gosh, that's literally the worst. Like, if you want your curls to be popping, you really gotta cut off all the split ends. Like, forget about the length, forget about, no, like, you would rather have healthy hair than to have length, because length can only do so much, because healthy hair really makes your hair look alive. And if you have like straight strings in your hair, just cut them off as well. Plus, if you don't even cut off your dead ends, it can just cause your hair to be shorter and shorter, and that's what happened to me. I noticed my hair was like really long, then 3 months later my hair was short, and somebody literally told me that they thought I had a haircut. So that just shows, yeah, them dead ends gotta go, or they will go themselves, because trust me, I know. And tip 3 that I have is wear protective hairstyles. That's so important. Like, I wish I did this more, because I feel like my heat damage would have healed quicker or got fixed quicker, but it took time, because mainly I was still having my hair in tight buns, tight low buns, like literally stretching my curls. Like, even without heat, I'm just parting my hair into a sleek middle bun. I was doing that all the time, putting my hair in a sleek high bun, just sleek, and I wasn't like giving my hair time just to like train itself to like go back in a spring and go back in a curl. So you don't want to do that. I highly suggest wearing wigs or like braiding your hair. It's like really training your hair, honestly, because how would your hair know what to do after it's done being straightened? It's like, okay, this is all I know now. Like, Have your hair out and breathing, wear box braids, wear cornrows, or wear your hair in a pineapple bun. That will help a lot too, because your hair would still be breathing and the curl wouldn't be as stretched. And if you don't want to do none of that with the box braids and the wigs and the cornrows and all that, you can do tip number 4 is just to shave it off. Shave it all off. Just start over completely. Like, your hair just grow out natural and everything like that. Don't do anything to it, just shave it off, or just shave it off to the point where you can do your own finger waves. Those are so cute. I'm gonna insert some pictures because finger waves are so cute, but you don't want to dye it. It may be tempting to dye it like a platinum blonde or a blonde, but don't do it. Don't do it. And speaking of dyeing hair, don't even dye your hair, especially bleach. Oh my gosh, bleach is so damaging. Like, I see so many girls having their hair bleach. I know they're gonna regret it, because bleach is no joke. Like, yeah, you can maintain it. Sometimes it can be a little bit too much just to maintain, because you gotta keep like adding deep conditioners and having it moisturized all the time so it don't look overly frizzy than what it naturally is. And it's just, don't even do it. But with like dark dyes, like let's say you're like your natural hair color or something, I still wouldn't suggest dyeing your hair, like in general, period, just because you really want to train your hair. Like, you really want to train your curls. You really want them to like go back to their natural form. So yeah, don't even dye your hair. And if you don't want to do box braids or wear wigs, you can just completely shave it off, or just shave it off to the point where you can do cute little finger waves. Then tip number 5 is to wear hair mask and use deep conditioners during your wash day, or not even just your wash day. Like, do it like once a week. Like, if you wash your hair once a week, then cool. But for me, I wash my hair, well, this is what works for me. Okay, I'm gonna just say this. I'm just gonna say it right here. This is what works for me. It may not work for you, or you may not feel comfortable with it, but for me it works fine. I notice how my hair is when I do this. So I wash my hair once a month or twice a month. It really depends what I'm doing or how busy I am. But yeah, I don't wash my hair that often, just because I notice when I do, it looks more flatter. Like, it just don't be acting right. And I notice my hair grows way more too when I don't wash it, because I'm not putting all these types of products in my hair. I'm letting my natural oils go through my hair, and my hair don't even look oily when I don't wash it. I just recently washed my hair too, like 2 days ago. My wash day hair routine and my curly hair routine will be listed down below. It's in one video. And yeah, I really love how my curls look. Using deep conditioners or hair mask is really beneficial for damaged hair and split ends. It can really go deep into your hair and the strands of your hair and everything, and just help bring the moisture back in. And it's so important to have moisture in your hair. Like, you don't want to have your hair dry all the time. It can cause breakage. It can do so much more damage to your hair. Always have your hair moisturized or locked in with moisture. Deep conditioners help so much with that. Hair mask, those are the 2 main things. Oh yeah, and your conditioner too. Like, having a good conditioner, using a hair mask, and using a deep conditioner, that works marvelous, let me tell you. Using deep conditioners can help retain your pH balance in your hair. So back in 2017 and 18, when I was really trying to get my hair back to normal, I really wasn't using a hair mask, but I really was using a lot, and I mean a lot, of deep conditioner. Plus, back then I really didn't have that much money to really get into like hair care like that. But what I did find, and what I always heard about, was Aussie, and this is the deep conditioner that I use. I have the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, and I still use it till this day. But you know, I'm an influencer, I gotta try out different things here and there. But best believe, I still love this. I still recommend this to anybody that has heat damage or just really wants a good deep conditioner to use. Like, this is perfect. And on top of that, it's so affordable, $4 or $7, either way, super affordable, and it works so good. And it has avocado in it and Australian jojoba oil, and this is so good for your hair. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, this is so good, especially avocado. Avocado has like a natural fat in it, and it's good for you to eat it and put it like on you too, because it can really help bring back the moisture and the pH balance of your hair. So yeah, this is so good. I highly recommend this. I'll leave this in the description box down below for you guys to purchase, because it works that good. And this is also paraben free, if you guys were wondering. It has 3 times the moisture because it is a deep conditioner, and you can leave it in for 3 minutes too, but for me, when it comes to this, I leave it in for like 30-20 minutes. This works so good. And while I was using this deep conditioner, I was also using this shower comb that I got from Walmart, but you can really get this anywhere. You can get this off of Amazon, you can get this at Target, you can get this at Walmart, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. They have this now, but I'm not sure on like the quality of it. Like if you have like really thick hair, it might break off. Like I don't know how the Dollar Tree quality is, but they do sell this everywhere pretty much. And this is just the Conair brand. I just really wanted this type of comb, and this really helped a lot because I'm not putting so much tension in my hair, and it's not going to cause my hair to break. With this comb, it's not going to take you that long to detangle your hair, and this is specifically for the shower, but you can use it out of the shower if you want to, but it's just easier to use this comb while you're in the shower, especially if your hair is damaged. It's less tension to your hair. And with me following all these tips that I told you guys, it really helped my hair get back to normal, and I'm so in love with my hair. And it's just even better too because I added products to my curly hair routine, and it just looks so amazing now, and I'm just so thankful that I fixed my hair. And I hope all these tips help you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips that you want to share, or like let me know your hair type because I'm very curious, because my hair types are 3C4A. What's your hair type? Comment any concerns, questions. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.